Good evening, everyone. Hi, guys. Am I audible? Good evening. Good evening. Why so less people today? Can we start the class? Okay. Yes. So we have done yesterday till text to column, right? And that's it from here. This is not really necessary. And we'll finish with this. We'll go to the next section. We'll complete the logical function first. Can we start? Can everybody see my screen? Can everybody see my screen? Okay, let's start. So first, we'll go with the logical functions, data validation, conditional formatting, sort and filtering, and then horizontal sorting. Okay. So can everybody see the data? I want your response. Yes or no? Can please anybody tell? Guys, can you tell?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, what is logical functions? Do you know, right? We use or and functions. Okay. Let's go with the first one. This is dearance allowance, DA. Okay. So what is DA? That is like 50% of the basic salary. Okay. So what we have to do here, 50% into basic salary into basic salary. Enter. Okay. So what is HRA? What does HRA means? House rent allowance. Okay. What is HRA? This is 40% of of basic and DA. Okay. So what should I do? Which formula I have to use here? Does anyone know? I have to use the formula. I is equal to 40% bracket basic plus DA, right? What is basic? Basic plus DA. Then bracket close. Enter. find out the basic plus DA first. So, HRA is equal to 40% of, we've got the house rent allowance. What is travel allowance? So travel allowance will not be given for everyone, right? So does account person travel? No. Only for training, only for marketing people, the allowance will be given. So I'm giving 500 for only marketing employees. Then what will be my method of finding out? If here I use the if function is equal to if my F2 is equal to marketing, I can type or I can use this marketing. I have to fix this, okay? How to fix function F4 and then okay, and fix function F4. I'm giving if the value is true. If the value is true, I'm giving 5,000, and if the value is false, I'm giving 0. Bracket close. See if let's write here again is equal to if F2 is equal to marketing, I'll have to fix them, okay? Function F4. If the value is true, then I'm giving 5,000. Else, I'm giving 0. Then click OK. So it is market, it is trading, so it's giving 0. Let's find out for other. See, only for the marketing team, it's giving 5,000. Did you understand the logic or do you want me to explain again? Did you guys understand the logic or do you want me to explain again? Can I get the replay? You didn't understand? No. Once again, repeat now. Okay. See, I have the data, right? This is TA means travel allowance. So I want to give travel allowances only for the marketing team, not for the other teams. Okay. Now, what I have to do, I'll use the if functions. Why? Because there is a conditions, right? So if function. That is what logical means, right? If or and. Okay. I am doing the logical test for the department. right? For this cell I'm doing, right? I'm checking this cell. If this cell, if this cell is equal to marketing, if F2 is equal to marketing, I can write this also, marketing. So to avoid the spelling mistake, I've used that, okay? Uh, if F2 is equal to marketing, if this cell is equal to marketing, then if it is true, then I'm giving 5000. If the value is false, I have to give 0. Any doubt? Any doubt? Here I can give the value too. I can directly click on this and fix the cell, and I can give this. Okay? See, I've got 0 because the my training is not equal to marketing. So by default, I mean it is saying it is false. So for false, what value I've given? 0. So it's giving me 0. Got it? But for this cell is equal to marketing. So if the value is true, then I've given 5000, right? There's a reason it is taking 5000. Any doubt? Any doubt? No doubts, right? Can I proceed with the next question? Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is the same. Two methods also I've explained in the one place itself. Either I can give the name in the quotation, like marketing or any other thing. Else, I can use, I can fix the cell value, like F. Okay, I can use these two methods. What is PF? Provident Fund, which is 12% of the basic salary. How do I calculate that? Equal to 12% into basic salary. Enter. So this is be my PF value. This is easy, right? Okay, let's come to the bonus. Okay, so I'm teaching you. Okay, this is not the proper value. Like it's just a example. Okay, okay. Bonus I'm giving to the employees working in the training and staying in the West region. I'm giving 40% of the basics. Okay, I'm repeating again. See, bonus I'm giving to employees for working in training and staying in West region. How much percent I'm giving? I'm giving them 40% of the basic, means 14% of their salary. How do I calculate this? See, I'll explain again. I'm giving bonus only to the people who are working in training department and compulsorily staying in West region only. So which function I have to use? These two functions are important. So I have to use AND function along with F. How much percent I'm giving? 40% of their basics. We'll find out now. Is equal to if. And why I'm using AND? Because I have two conditions, right? So the first condition is my F2 should be equal to training department, training, is it spelling correct? It's not case sensitive, so you have to worry about capital letter and small letter. Okay, and one more condition I have is one more condition I have is my E2. What's my E2 region? My region should be equal to west region. Clear? Here my AND function ends. I've given the two conditions. If two conditions is true, if both of my condition is true, then I'm giving, see I'm getting value if true. I have to give 40% of the basic salary. Means 40% into into basics. Basics. Okay, comma. Um, it's telling me that if value is false, I'm giving 0. Bracket close. Enter. Understood? See, this person is staying in training department and West region. So the bonus is 2500. Then who else is staying in training department and West region? This guy. Only who are people staying in training department and West region is getting the bonus. Is it clear? Is it clear? Okay. Let's go for next concept. Incentives. Okay, only for the account and operation employees. That is rupees 5000. I'm giving incentives to the only accounts and operation people, like rupees 5000. Okay, let's do it. So first we have to do if functions is equal to if bracket open. Uh, I have two conditions, right? Or I have to use. I can I'll be giving it to accounts and I'll be giving it to operations too. So I'll use the or functions or logic. Same. If my F2 is equal to accounts, account, then I will give 5000. And my F2 should be equal to operations too. Operations. Here my or functions close. I'll close. If value is true, I'm giving 5000. If value is false, I'm giving 0. Enter. It's neither operation or neither account, so I'm just giving 0. See, this is giving 5000 because in the accountants. This same accounts. And here accounts. And here accounts. Why operation is getting 0? Let's see the formula. See here operation is there. I've given the operation. So this also matters. Spelling should be correct. Okay. Now I'll give enter. I'll drag it down. See? Yeah. Now the value has changed, right? For the operation also it's giving. Understood? Any doubt? Can we continue with next question? Can we? So logically I've understood, right? How to do it, what to do. No doubts? Any doubts? Because I want your response. Any person can you please tell? Guys, respond please. Okay, let's go for the next concept. See, what is data validation? Data validation is a process of checking whether the data is accurate, complete, and meets the required rules or formats before it's used to store. Okay, so I'll repeat. What is data validation? Data validation is a process of checking whether the data is accurate, complete, or if it meets the requirement rules or not. Okay, so it prevents errors and bad decisions. Okay, and also ensures the consistency in the systems. Okay, I have the data. Okay, but I want the age to be in the to be between 18 to 60, as it is the employment rule, right? The age should be above 18. If a person is typing 12, 13, 11, so it should show that that person is not eligible or whatever it is. That person cannot fill the data. That's why we use data validation. Okay. So for this, we have to select wherever I need to put the conditions. Okay. And then in the data tab, we have a data tools. In that, we have data validation. See, you can see what is data validation. Pick from a list of rules to limit the type of data that can be entered in the cell. Okay? Okay. I'm choosing data validations. Any values? No. Age should be in the whole number itself. So I'm choosing whole number. So between. So there is many options I can choose. Minimum should be 18. Maximum should be 60. Okay. I've given the condition. Now, when I'm typing enter, see this value does not match the data validation restriction defined for this cell. So I've defined the age limit from 18 to 16. Understood what is data validation means? So if I fill 18, it won't tell me anything. If I type 65, again it will tell me, it will warn me. Okay. I can also give the warning sign by using this functions. Data validation, whole number I've given the, I'll give the input message. Okay, so if I get my cursor here, my whatever the value I've given will pop up. Okay, the title, age limit. I'll give age limit. So input message, I'll give age limit must be between 18 to 60. Okay. So if my message is wrong, I can also give the alert message. So title is I'll give invalid invalid age. Please choose the age from 18 to 60 only. Done? Can we check now? Okay. See, if clicking this cell, it's not telling me anything, any rules, no instruction is given. So if I go to this cell, but it's telling me right age limit must be between 18 to 20. Okay, let's check the error corrections. I'm typing 11, enter. See, invalid age, please choose the age from 18 to 60 only. This is the value that I have given before. Done? Understood what is data validation? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's go to the next concept. Conditional formatting. So, does anyone have any idea what is conditional formatting? Does anyone have any idea what is conditional formatting? No? Okay, I'll tell. So conditional formatting is a feature that is used in the spreadsheet to automatically change the appearance of the cell based on the rules and conditions. Okay. So basically, to be put in the simple words, I can say that based on the condition, and I'm formatting the rules. Okay, the how my cell should look. So it can use we can like using the colors, icons, data bars, and font styles. Okay, so let's start. So I want to do conditional formatting for basics. Salary. We'll see from highest to lowest. First, you need to select the cells and then go to data validation. Sorry, the conditional formatting. So conditional formatting is in the home tab. Go to home tab. Here, conditional formatting is there. Click on that. So there are so many rules that you can choose. Okay. So I want to highlight the cells, right? So I'll choose data bars. No, I'll choose color gradients. I want to choose a different color. See, there's a many choice of colors, but I want to choose my own colors. So I'll choose more colors. Format all cell based on their values. I'm clicking this. Okay. So my lowest value, let it take the value which is present. I can also give the values. Okay. So colors I can choose. I'm choosing from purple color, the lightest purple to the darkest purple. Okay. So lowest value will be my lightest purple. In between the shades will change. See. So guys are not seeing I guess. So I'll change the font size, font color to white. White. See. Can you guys see now? My least value is 4500, which is in the lightest color, whereas my most value is 16,250, which is in the darkest color. Any doubt? Any doubt? Okay.
Ma'am, can you explain one more time, please?
This one?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Next. First, you need to select what you need to give the conditions. Okay, I'm selecting basics. Fine. I'm going to conditional formatting, which is in the home tab. Now, I want to color scale it. I can do whatever I want. I can highlight them. I can choose the between equal to, okay, whatever the values. I can also mark the duplicate values, okay, and top 10% I can select, top 10 I can select, bottom 10% I can select, bottom 10 items like I can select, okay, and I can also choose above average one. I can choose to color them and data bars also like the settle grade. You can see the lowest is 4500, right? It is colored very less. Only the starting it is colored. That's what called as data bars. And the color scale, as I said, I can also give any colors. Like the lowest colors, I can give red. It is showing red. The highest, it is showing green. Do you understand? So it means danger, right? Red means, and the green means good. Understood? Based on that, I can also customize the colors. See, I can customize the colors. So I can also give these symbols. So I've kept this symbol. See that 16,250 is going up. Means in the trade you can see right green and going up means it's the highest value. Whereas red going down means it's the least values. See from 8,000 to 8,750 it's showing yellow. You know right? What does yellow mean? So I can get any shapes. I can also create new rules I want. Okay. So let's do whatever we have done before. I've used the colors. I'm giving more rules. because I want to change. I'm changing the color here. That's it. I'm choosing purple with the highest value. I need dark purple. Okay. See, my highest here, I'll zoom it. See, my least value is 4500, which is in the lightest color. Whereas my highest value is in the darkest color. Understood? Any doubt? No doubt? Any doubt? So date of birth also, I'll choose. Data bars, scales. No, I've used the scales. I'll choose between 1985 to 1997. I'm 1995. I'll give 10 years gap. I'll give light red with dark red text. I can have many types. I can also customize them. Okay, let me customize. I want them in uh, green color. Okay, done. I can also change the font. I can also change number. I can also change the border.
Ma'am, your screen is not visible, ma'am.
My screen,
Yes, ma'am.
but I'm sharing the screen only. Okay,
You are not getting the screen, ma'am.
only you or any other person.
In the chat box also they're responding as not sharing the screen.
Okay, I don't know why it was like this. Now, now,
Yeah, ma'am.
okay, fine. Now, can you see, guys? I've given from 1985 to 1995 to give the color as green. So it is highlighted as green. Okay, I can also give the symbol. I'll tell you guys. It's icons. I'll give icons as shape. But can I give shapes to regions? Because I don't know which is greater, which is less, right? So that's impossible. So we cannot give many rules to this because as it is not a number. Okay, so I'll choose this conditional formatting and I'll go with the rules such as equal to. So if it is equal to name, then I'll customize to give the fill to fill the character as blue color. Can I give blue color for men? Okay. See, see all my men are presented in the blue color. Understood what is conditional formatting?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let's go for sort and filter. Can everyone see my screen? Can everybody see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So if you want to use the sorting symbol, you know where the sorting is, right? It's also in the home tab, also here the data tab. Okay. So for the when I have to use a sorting, I have to select only the header, not the full table. Okay, I have to choose only the header. So if I want to uh, employee code to be in the ascending order, I have to choose only the employee code header. I'll choose this. All my employee code is in the ascending order. Got it? There are three types of sorting, which is number sorting, text sorting, and date sorting. Okay, number sorting, we select from smallest to largest, whereas in text sorting, A to Z or Z to A, whereas in date sorting, nearest to oldest or oldest to newest. Understood? So if you want to sort date of joining, see, I've sorted from joined first, Sukanya. Understood? Any doubt? So I want to sort inside sorting. Sorting inside the sorting. I sort. So I want employee codes, but who are in the region south. Okay. Then I have to select this function. First one is employee code, cell values A to Z, correct? Cell values A to Z, and I'm adding the level. I want from region. I want from region. First region I want as cell values A to Z, A to Z, and third one I want as let me take gender. Gender. Cell values. I want first female and then male, or it's first male and then female. Okay. See, first employee name is started, right? And then West region first, and then male. Then these are the three conditions that I've given. Understood? This is called as sorting inside sorting. Okay. Let's go to the horizontal sorting. So this is horizontal sorting, okay? So I have to select only this, not the uh, header. Then go for sorting. I have to click on this. And there's an option. So by default, always sorts from top to bottom. I have to select from left to right. Okay. The sort by row one. Row one is sorted, right? I want to sort row five. Then I can give cell values. What is row 5? That is west region from A to Z. Okay. See, first east came and then north, then south, then west. Understood the concept? Is it clear? This is what? Horizontal sorting. Then sorting by color. You know, this all the things that we use in the conditional formatting, right? So let me sort this color first. I'll select the header, go to sort function, sort is region, cell values, no. That is cell color, color of the cell. First is, first I want blue, let it be blue only. Okay, and then add levels, then I want to choose a region itself, and cell color, I want, uh, then I want green. Okay, then add level, region, cell color. So I want at bottom I want yellow. No, I want red at the bottom. Means my yellow will be below the red. Okay. See, is it sorted? Blue, green, yellow, and red. Understood? Okay. Let me choose this and now choose the color. First one I want as city. I don't want cell color. I want font color. So what's my font color? See, by default showing what are the colors I have. Blue I have, green I have, red I have. I want blue first. Okay. I also have to select city. I also have to select city. This is font color. This is also font color. Red. And then I'll go with the green. Then rest. Oh, see, blue first, and then red, and then the green, and then the other colors. Let's go with a simple. So simple. I can just do basics right, and then these are a font color conditional formatting icons. Okay, first let it be this. No, first I want green top, then basic. After choosing also basic. There is no font color. This is a conditional formatting icons. Conditional formatting icons. This icons now I want yellow, and then I want autumn. Okay. See, I've got green first, yellow next, and the red next. Understood the concept? Sorting by color. Is it clear? Is it clear? Can you guys see? Can you guys see my screen? No. Why?
No, ma'am.
Uh, now, so what did you guys understand the concept? Okay, yes, ma'am. So let's go to the next concept that is lookup. Lookup. So does anyone know what is lookup? Does anyone know what is lookup value? Okay. See, can everyone open this file and see what's there in it? Lookup function. Lookup is a function or a process which is used to search for a value in a table or a range and return the relative information from the another column or row. Okay. See, I have the value here, but I don't know their employee code. So to find out that, the lookup is used. Okay. Okay. Let's start. Let's find the city of Priya Agarwal now. Equal to lookup. What's my lookup value from which I'm searching the values? This value, right? Then what is my lookup vector? What's my lookup vector? This one. I have to fix it. Function F4. I fix it. What is my result vector? City. So I have to select the city. I have to fix them by using the dollar symbol. Function F4. See for this one, the range that contains only one column of text, numbers or logical values should be placed in the ascending order or else I won't get the proper value. See here, it is not placed in the ascending order, I won't get the values. Only after the ascending order, I'll get the values. Is it correct? Is Priya Agarwal in the Mysore? No. Yes. But other values might be wrong. Sometimes you go for the nearest value, okay? So I'll go for this and I'll go to the ascending order. Only then this value will be correct, else it will be wrong. And now check. All the values are correct. This is lookup value. I'll choose a lookup. Sorry. So I wanted to write the formula text. Formula text. This is my formula that I've used. I'll give you an assignment. By using this formula, I want you to find out the department basics and employee code of the employee name data. Can you guys do it? I want your response. Can you guys do it? Can you guys do it? So in the next tomorrow class, we'll be continuing the other source, output, edge lookup, everything. As I have to continue all the classes in the same 1 hour, so we'll be continuing tomorrow. So half today and half tomorrow will be a very confusion for you guys. Okay, I've explained overall explanation of lookup, but this is VLOOKUP, H lookup, and X lookup. So everything is different. Okay. So anyone has a doubt in today's class? Does anyone have any doubt? No doubts. So is this concept clear? So I'll ask anyone to share the screen tomorrow. They have to share the screen and tell me the process. Okay. Randomly, I take out the name. They have to share the screen and then tell me the answer for today's assignment. Okay, guys. Is the concept clear? Any doubts? Any doubts? No doubts. Okay, fine. We'll wind up. We'll see you in the tomorrow's class. Okay? Fine. Bye.